Okay, so we are now at the quarter to week 6 of our discussion. And our topic for this afternoon is the Quotient Law of Radicals. So, the last time that we have discussed was all about product law of radicals. Now, we are about to unfold the quotient law of radicals. So let's begin with this concept of nth root of A over B, okay, is also equal to the nth root of A divided by the nth root of B. They are just the same. So ano lang po ang ginawa natin? Pinaghiwalay po natin yung nasa radicand. Okay? What we have to do is to separate them in the numerator and in the denominator part. So, kung ano ang index natin, yun din na magiging index ng dalawa. Okay? So, no need to change the index. Okay? Kung ano yung index na given natin dito, yun yung magiging index nilang dalawa. Okay? Okay, for our example, let's simplify this given. For letter A, we have square root of 75 over 36. So, ang una natin gagawin is paghiwalay natin silang dalawa. So, this will become 75, square root of 75 over square root of 36. So, we all know that 75 is not a perfect square. Okay? So, since 75 is not a perfect square, kailangan nating hanapin yung factor niya na may perfect square, na may greatest perfect square. Okay? So, ano ba yung factor ng 75 na may greatest perfect square? That is 25. Okay? And the another factor is 3. Since 36 is a perfect square, we don't need to change that na. Okay? So, the square root of 25 is 5. And ang natira sa loob ay 3. Over, what is the square root of 36? That is 6. Okay? So, since hindi na natin sila pwedeng i-divide, as is, kung ano yung naging result, yun na po yun. Okay, next example that we have here is 200, square root of 200 over 81. So, katulad ng kanina, paghihiwalay lang natin sila. Okay? Bago natin sila sagutan ulit. So, that would be square root of 200 over square root of 81. Next, we also know that 200 is not a perfect square. So, hahanap ulit tayo ng factor niya na may perfect square. And 81 is a perfect square naman. So, the perfect factor that we are looking is 100 times 2. Okay? So, since we got 100 times 2, we can simplify this given as 10 square root of 2 over 9. Dahil ang square root ng 100 ay 10. Ang square root ng 81 ay 9. Okay? Kaya ang natira na lang sa loob is yung 2. So, that is the final answer. Another example that we have here is letter C. Cube root of 81 over 8. So, ulit, paghihiwalayin muna natin sila. Next. Hanapin natin ang factor ng 81. Kasi, alam naman natin that 81 is not a perfect cube. Okay? Hindi na perfect square ang hinahanap natin, perfect cube na. Bakit? Kasi naka-indicate doon yung given natin na index, which is 3. So, we have to find for the factor of 3 ng 81 na may perfect cube. And that is 27. Multiply natin siya by 3. And we all know that then that 8 is a perfect cube. Okay? So, simplify natin siya. This will become 3. Bakit naging 3? Kasi ang cube ng 27 ay 3. Then, ang naiwan sa loob ay yung 3 na lang. Then, ang cube ng 8, cube root ng 8 ay 2. Okay? Again, ang cube root ng 27 ay 3, kaya nasa labas siya. Then, natira sa loob is 3. Okay? So, the answer is 3 to the cube root of 3 over 2. Another example that we have here is the square root of 18x cubed over 49xy squared. So, again, paghihiwalayin muna natin sila. So, this will become square root of 18x cubed over square root of 49xy squared. Next. So, since napaghiwalay na natin sila, tingnan natin kung perfect square ba sila. Yung 18 na hindi perfect square, 49 is a perfect square. So, yung 18, hanapin natin yung factor niya na makakatulong sa atin para ma-reduce or ma-simplify. So, that would be 9 and 2. So, yung x cube pa rin. Okay? Mamaya natin siya asikasuhin. Next, 49xy squared. So, simplify na natin. This will become 3x. Bakit naging x? Kasi babawasan natin yung x cube ng dalawa. So, nakadepende pa rin sa index kung paano mo siya sasagutan. Okay? So, yung x cube, ilang 2 ba yung makukuha mo sa 3? Isa. So, ima-minus mo ngayon yung nakuha mong dalawa dun sa exponent natin. So, kaya, natanggal na to, natanggalan to ng dalawa. Okay? Kaya, ang natira na lang ay isa. So, natira sa loob ay 2x over 7. Okay? 7. Yung x wala naman siya, hindi siya pwedeng i-divide. Yung y lang. So, this will become 7y. Kasi 2 divided by 2. 1. So, ano natira sa loob? X na lang. Okay? Kasi natanggal na natin to, pati ito. Next. So, in this case, pwede pa ba natin siyang i-divide? Yes. Pwede pa natin i-reduce tong dalawa. Since pareha silang naka-radical sign. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Hindi na kasya. So, this will become 3x over 7y times, pag-iisay natin sila, 2x over x. So, makikita nyo dyan, pwede na natin i-minus yung dalawang x. Okay? So, 1 minus 1 is 0. Kaya tinanggal ko na. So, saan natira yung 2? Sa numerator ba o sa denominator? Sa numerator. Kaya mag-i-stay siya doon sa numerator. So, the final answer will be 3x to the square root of 2 over 7y. Okay? So, this is the final answer.